Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The electric grinder serves as a multifunctional tool designed to bridge the gap between specialized coffee equipment and general kitchen utility. At a price point of approximately $15, this device is positioned as an accessible entry point for home cooks and coffee drinkers who are looking to move away from pre-ground ingredients. While often categorized primarily as a coffee mill, the internal mechanics are engineered to handle a broad range of materials including dried spices, oily seeds, and various herbs. This versatility is a core aspect of its value proposition, as it replaces the need for several manual tools like a mortar and pestle or multiple dedicated grinders for different food groups. The inclusion of both wet and dry grinding capabilities suggests a level of flexibility that is not always standard in compact electric units at this price level. By offering a single motorized base that can process everything from brittle coffee beans to moisture-rich vegetables or garlic, the appliance seeks to streamline food preparation tasks that would otherwise require significant manual effort. Regarding the build and design, the unit features a compact vertical orientation finished in a neutral black aesthetic that allows it to sit unobtrusively on a kitchen counter or be stored easily in a cabinet. The most significant design choice is the removable stainless steel bowl system. In many budget grinders, the grinding chamber is integrated directly into the motor base, which makes cleaning difficult and increases the risk of flavor cross-contamination between different ingredients. By making the bowl removable, the design allows for easier emptying of fine powders and more thorough washing, either by hand or in some cases within a dishwasher environment. The use of stainless steel for the bowl and the blades is a practical choice, as this material is resistant to odors and staining, which is particularly important when switching between pungent spices like cumin or turmeric and more delicate coffee beans. The motor is capable of reaching 28,000 revolutions per minute, which is a high speed intended to pulverize tough materials quickly. This high velocity is supported by a standard US plug configuration, indicating that the power draw is optimized for domestic electrical outlets without requiring specialized adapters or high-voltage circuits. When considering how the device performs, the 28,000 revolutions per minute motor is the primary driver of its efficiency. In the context of coffee, this high speed allows for a rapid breakdown of the bean structure, though it is important to note that blade grinders like this one function through impact rather than crushing. This means the consistency of the grind is determined by the duration of the cycle. A shorter pulse results in a coarse texture suitable for a French press, while a longer runtime produces the fine powder needed for drip machines or pour-over methods. This performance characteristic extends to spices and seeds as well. For those who toast their own whole spices, the high-speed blades can turn hard peppercorns or cinnamon sticks into a fine dust in a matter of seconds. The significance of this speed lies in the preservation of volatile oils. Because the grinding process happens quickly, there is less heat buildup than one might find in slower, less powerful motors. Heat can often dull the flavor of coffee and spices, so the rapid action of the blades helps maintain the integrity of the ingredients. For wet grinding, the motor must maintain enough torque to process moisture-heavy items like ginger or onions into a paste without stalling. The ability to handle these different textures matters because it gives the user greater control over the freshness of their seasonings and the strength of their brews. This specific grinder is best suited for individuals who prioritize versatility and convenience over specialized, high-end features. It is an ideal choice for the casual coffee drinker who wants to experiment with fresh beans but is not yet ready to invest in a professional-grade burr mill. Beyond coffee, it appeals strongly to home cooks who frequently use whole spices or who enjoy making their own spice blends and marinades from scratch. Because of its small footprint, it is well suited for apartment dwellers or those with limited counter space who need one tool to perform multiple roles. It also serves as a practical secondary grinder for someone who might already have a dedicated coffee setup but needs a separate, easy-to-clean machine for processing pungent garlic, oily nuts, or medicinal herbs without ruining their main coffee equipment. The simplicity of the operation makes it accessible for those who prefer straightforward appliances without complex digital interfaces or numerous settings to navigate. In a balanced closing thought, this electric grinder represents a cost-effective solution for fundamental kitchen tasks, offering a significant upgrade in speed and ease over manual grinding methods. While it may not provide the surgical precision of high-end burr grinders required for professional espresso, its 28,000 revolutions per minute motor and removable stainless steel bowl offer a level of utility and hygiene that is quite high for a device costing roughly $15. It is a functional, no-frills appliance that focuses on the core requirements of power and cleanability. For the average household looking to enhance the flavor of their meals and morning coffee through fresh grinding, it provides a reliable and affordable way to achieve those results without a significant financial or spatial commitment. Its value lies in its simplicity and its ability to handle both wet and dry ingredients in a compact, user-friendly package. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.